cybersecurity, every second counts. Threats don't wait, and yet most systems still rely on slow, static tools, collecting logs, missing context, and reacting far too late. But what if intelligence lived inside the endpoint itself? What if you could deploy a brain, not a sensor? This is SEB, the synthetic endpoint brain from LOGFORCE, a volatile, autonomous payload, zero installation, zero persistence, designed to think for itself, analyze live system behavior, and report risks before you even know there's a threat. SEB is not another agent, it's a launch and forget payload. Point it at a running process, any process, even PID1 on macOS, and it triggers a complete behavioral reconstruction of the entire process tree. What executed, who triggered it, how it behaved, every child, every anomaly, every risk. SEB performs what would take traditional analysts hours. It watches runtime behavior, tracks file and network activity, inspects binaries, flags unsigned code, and follows command line lineage, all through the lens of embedded AI. It doesn't just gather data. It classifies it, scores it, and explains it in human-readable, forensically structured language. And when it's done, it disappears. No footprint, no residue, only a structured cloud-ready intelligence package, ready for integration with platforms like Splunk, Google Chronicle, AWS Security Lake, or your preferred SIEM. From red team operators to enterprise defenders, from post-incident responders to SOCs under pressure, SEB turns any endpoint into a temporary intelligence sensor, a synthetic mind, surgically deployed, delivering full situational awareness. This isn't just forensics. This is post-execution intelligence, real-time, autonomous, and radically efficient. In under 30 seconds, you get a complete risk landscape, which processes are suspicious, who ran them, what they did, and what to do next. This is the future of endpoint visibility. A payload you launch once and learn everything. SEB, the brain your endpoint never had. LOGFORCE, deploy it once, understand everything.